On August 1st, 2025, Government of Pakistan officially approved the National Artificial Intelligence Policy. The key directive was capacity building and training of the civil servants. In response to the national affair, AtomCamp collaborated with Ministry of Information Technology and Telecommunications to deliver a series of AI trainings for civil services in the Civil Services Academy, Lahore. The first training on 3rd and 4th of September 2025, AtomCamp trained 150 probationary officers in the 53rd Common Training Program. Participants gained the professional knowledge of artificial intelligence, including supervised and unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, and generative AI. They used multiple tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Botsonic, Lindy, and Perplexity to visualize and analyze the data, make automation tools for frequently asked questions and presentations. The second training was Training of Trainers, held on 29th and 30th October of 2025, in which 30 public servants were made masters of AI and they explored different use cases of AI. Let's discuss top 3 use cases from the Training of Trainers workshop. First one is to have AI trainers rather than the professional teachers. Second one is public policy analysis through AI. And third one is to find out the structured gaps between education through AI. The third training was for public service administrator officers, in which they learned about AI deployment, risk management, and implementation in the public sector. Let's explore a few AI-based projects developed during the PAS training. The first project used AI to identify the gaps between structured education in government schools and automatically route them to the relevant department. The second was Awami Shikayat portal, an AI-powered system that analyzes complaints and directs them to the appropriate authorities. The third project introduced an AI-based tax collection system where users enter land area and unit details, and the system calculates and collects tax efficiently. These projects demonstrate how AI can make governance smarter, faster, and more effective. To complement these trainings, Civil Services Academy, Ministry of IT and Telecom, and AtomCamp collaborated and made AI 101 manual for public sector that will help them in AI in governance and policy making. AI training has been made mandatory for all the civil servants to make sure efficiency and transparency in the governance and the benefit of the citizens.